Hi there. My name is Batista, and I'm going to take just a few seconds to show you the software that I'm giving away for free here today. I think you'll agree it's a simply brilliant strategy, but personally I think it just makes a lot of sense. This is called an expert advisor, or an EA, and it was developed to take advantage of news spikes without having to deal with headaches like requotes and things that accompany traditional methods of trading the news up to now. So let me just show you the EA in action and kind of walk you through the software that I'm giving away here. I have 4 platforms here on the screen, as you can see, 4 trading platforms, and there's a news release that's about to happen. We know this because these releases are pre-scheduled, which makes it easy to identify when to trade. But in any case, this data is going to be released at exactly 4:30. As you can see, we're approaching this time now. It's just 4 seconds from now, according to the clock on the screen. Just a second or two before the data comes out, the software is going to place a buy stop and a sell stop just above and below the current price on each of the 4 accounts. Let me run this forward for 3 seconds and you'll see what happens here. Okay, now let me explain what's just occurred. If you look at each station, you can see that each one has 2 pending orders, a buy stop and a sell stop. In this particular news release, the market spike turns out to be a buy, and it's a real nice clean move. But before I show you the boatload of cash that I made on this thing, I want to talk about what happens when there's not a spike. You see, this is a fairly basic strategy, but by itself it can get you into trouble. If the market doesn't spike, then you're left with 2 orders in the market that in some cases will be brought in, and that's not good. Don't get me wrong, even then you're not risking all that much, since they'll basically offset one another, but no one likes to take a loss. And so software was developed to prevent this. What we did was we integrated an actual news feed into the EA so that if the data comes out in a way that won't move the market, it'll automatically remove the orders for you. This was the main challenge I faced when perfecting this strategy, and now it has been addressed. The overall profitability of this thing since this has been addressed has just gone out the roof. And speaking of profitability, let's go ahead and watch this thing play out. I'm going to run it forward for 20 seconds. As you can see here, the data came out at a 0.6, which is a real nice deviation for this particular release. And you can also see on the tick chart, we've gotten a real good spike over here. That's what you want to see on any news trade. You want to see a real nice big spike. Now, stopping the thing 17 seconds later, you can see that I'm up thousands of dollars. Just going around the accounts, I'm up 2,270 on this account, 430 on this one, $1,300 on this one, and $26 on this one in the corner. The one in the corner, I'm actually testing a new broker, so I'm trading very light there just to test to make sure that the broker performs well. Now this goes on for a good while, but I want to just go ahead and fast forward this thing to the end and show you the results of about 3 minutes of trading. Before I do that, make a quick note of the balances in these accounts. You've got 8,831 in that one at this moment, 6,500 in that one, 9,300 in that one, and a little over 5,000 in this one. Now let me just fast forward this thing. Okay, now you can see not quite 3 minutes after the trade has started, this account is up over 11,000 from 8,831, so that's over $2,200 there. This one went to 6,892 from 6,500, so you've got just under 400 there. This went from 9,300 to over 11,000. And this one went from 50.26 to 50.90, so even the test account made a few bucks. So here on this one trade, I've taken over $4,000 in less than 3 minutes, and I do this all the time. Thanks for watching.